How to channel.
Don't forget subscribe.
Bright white teeth at home, 100% working. Remove plaque and tartar. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you an effective remedy to turn your yellow teeth to white pearl teeth. We need those ingredients to make this recipe. One teaspoon of rice powder, 1 teaspoon of almond powder, and 1 teaspoon of toothpaste. Now mix all the ingredients very well. Now it's time to apply this recipe on your teeth. Then leave it on for 5 minutes. For best results, use this recipe once a week. Oh, finally! I hope this video helped you too. Please share this video with your friends and family, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon to avoid miss incoming videos.
Thank you for watching.
Don't forget subscribe.